delicious Oreo mug cake.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's make Oreo cake. So for this, we will be needing 2 ingredients. Yes, you heard me right. Only 2 ingredients. For this, we will need some Oreos and milk. Put the Oreos inside a blending jar. Now grind this until it becomes powder. Here I got fine Oreo powder. Now I will put it into the cup. Now I have transferred this into a mug. Let's pour some milk. Now we mix. Mix until it becomes a thick texture like this. Mix is ready. Now let's microwave this for about 1 minute. Delicious Oreo cake is ready. Taste test. Wow! Super delicious and super easy to make. You should definitely try it. Enjoy!
Subscribe to Pi's Home Talks.